Good morning everyone. So today we'll continue with rank of a matrix. Okay, find the rank of a matrix 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. Okay, so now you know that you have to make this number 0 first, then this number, then make this row 0. So we'll start. So first operation, what can we do? In order to make this number 0, you have to multiply this row with 2 and subtract, right? This becomes 1 2s are 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So we have R2 becomes R2 minus 2 into R1. So we have 1 2s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, right? We are changing only R2, so the rest of the two rows remains the same. So we have 2 minus 2, 0. Here 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2, right? Okay, so now next is to make this 0. So that is R3 is equal to, in order to make this 0, we have to multiply this with 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, right? So R3 minus 3 R1. So what do we have? We have D is equal to 1 2 3, first row remains same, second row remains same, third row 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 2s are 6, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, and what is 3 3s are 9, and 5 minus 9 is minus 4, right? Okay, all are 3 cross 3 matrices. Okay, so now next our aim is to make this row 0. So in order to make this row 0, if I multiply this row with 2, this becomes minus 2 minus 4, right? So if I subtract this now, so minus 2 minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. So we can do that operation. So R3 is nothing but R3 minus 2R2. R3 minus 2R2. So our operation is for R3. So rest of the two rows remains the same. So we have 0. 1 minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So minus 2 minus of minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus of minus 4 is minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. So we have this. So can we make this 0? No, that is not possible, right? So you can stop here. So now the rank of the matrix can be determined by the number of non-zero rows. So the number of non-zero rows are 1 row and 2 row. So that implies, therefore the rank of the matrix is, rank of the given matrix is nothing but row of matrix D is 2. Now let's get into the next problem. Find the rank of the matrix G is equal to 1 2 minus 1 2 2 0 1 3 minus 2, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So our solution is, what is the first operation? Okay, so here we have to make this number 0, right? So multiply this row by 2 and subtract. So R2 becomes R2 minus 2 R1, right? So what do we have? We have G is equal to 1 2s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Here minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Again, in order to make this 0, you don't have to multiply anything. 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So okay, we'll do it separately. Now R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So what do we get? G is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 2 minus of minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, right? Okay, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So in order to make these two numbers 0, it is easy. How? Multiply this row with 2, you get 2 and minus 2. Add these two, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. Yes, will be 0. So we have R3 is equal to 2R3 plus R2. Okay, shall we apply this? Okay. So we have 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 2 and 2. This is 0 itself. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 again. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So now here further we cannot do anything here. If you multiply this with 2, this becomes 4. This number changes, so you cannot do anything. So now count the number of non-zero rows. That is 1 and 2 rows are non-zero. This is a 0 row, right? So we have, therefore, the rank of the matrix, rank of the given matrix is nothing but, row of G is nothing but 2. Okay, now let's get into the next problem. Find the rank of the matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so first, okay, we'll write down that matrix. What is it? 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Right? So now, first our aim is to make this number 0. So in order to make that number 0, R2 operation is 2R1, right? R2 minus 2R1. So what do we have? Okay, we have the first row to be same, the last row to be same. Second row we are changing to this operation. So what do we have? 1 2s are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4, minus 3. And you have 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Okay, so now next our aim is to make this number 0. So in order to do that, we have our operation R3 is equal to R3 minus 2 into R1. So this becomes 1 2s are 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So we have A is equal to 1 2 2, 0 minus 3 minus 2, and we have 1 2s are 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Again here 2 2s are 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So now in order to make these two numbers 0, is there any possibilities? Whatever we do, we cannot make these two numbers 0, right? So our rank of the matrix will be the number of non-zero rows. So that is 1, 2, 3. That is, we have 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is nothing but, rank of A is, row of A is equal to 3. Let's get into our next question. Find the rank of the matrix. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. So we have a matrix to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first our aim is to make this 0. So what is the operation? R2 is equal to R2 minus 4 into R1, right? Yes, now this becomes B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Second row is 1 4s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 4s are 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Again, you have 4 3s are 12. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. You have 3, 4 and 5. Okay, next our aim is to make the zeros, that is R3 is equal to R3 minus 3R1. So what do we have? First row and second row remains the same. Now third row becomes 1 3s are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 3s are 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 3 3s are 9. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Okay, so now in order to make these two numbers zeros, what can you do? Okay, if you look clearly here, this is 3 1s are 3 2s are, 2 1s are 2 2s are. That means I can take 3 common outside from this one, right? So if I take 3 common outside, what happens? This becomes, okay, instead of taking 3 common outside, I'll multiply this row by 1 by 3. So R2 becomes 1 by 3 into R2. So what do we get? We have 1, 2, 3. 0 by 3, 0. Minus 3 by 3 is 1. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. Right? 0, minus 2, minus 4. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Again, R3 here. This is 2 1s are 2 2s. That means I'll multiply this row by 1 by 2. So what do I get? R3 is 1 by 2 into R3. So let us perform this operation. So we have 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2 as it is. So now 0 by 2 is 0. 2 by 2 is 1. Since it is minus 2 by 2, it is minus 1. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Now what can you do? If you subtract these two rows, this becomes zeros, right? So you have R3 to be R3 minus R2. So what do you have? B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and 0. You have minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2. That is 0. So what is the rank of the matrix? Rank of the matrix is non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows is 1 and 2. So rank of the matrix B is nothing but 2. Okay, now let's see how to find the rank of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so here our matrix is 4 6 5 6, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So first is, now we are going according to the rules of the definition rules. We remember? Yes, do you remember? Okay, so first we have to take the determinant of this matrix. How to take the determinant of M? It's nothing but 4 into 6 minus 5 into 6. 4 into 6 minus 5 into 6. What do you have? 6 4s are 24. 5 6 are 30. What do you have? Minus 6. So determinant of M is minus 6. That means determinant of M is not equal to 0. All of you agree? So here there is one note, that is, when the determinant of the matrix is not equal to 0, the rank of the matrix is equal to the order of the given matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix, right? That means the order of the matrix is 2 cross 2. Therefore, since determinant of M is not equal to 0, the rank of the given matrix is same as its order. That implies rank of the matrix M is, what is the order? 2, right? 2 cross 2. That means the rank of the matrix is 2. Let's check out one more problem of this type. So we have the given matrix to be 3, 2, 1, 4, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So now first we have to find determinant of A, that is nothing but 3 4s are 12 minus 1 2s are 2. What is nothing but 12 minus 2 is 10. So we know that determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Therefore, since determinant of A is not equal to 0, that implies rank of the given matrix is nothing but the order of the given matrix. What is the order? 2 cross 2. That means 2. Here there is one more thing. You have to first check whether the given matrix is a square matrix or a rectangular matrix. So if it is a square matrix, the order of the matrix applies as the rank. We will see the other type with next examples in the next session. Okay? Thank you for watching.